Okay, now in a star topology, here is just a diagram of a star topology. In the star topology, we have to just use to here one particular switch, or you can use also a hub. Okay, in that switch we can connect a number of nodes to each other, like a separately connected to each other. Okay, in star topology we have to just use a one switch, otherwise one hub or any kind of a connecting devices. But we can connect a number of nodes or number of machines or number of PCs are separately to a switch to a hub. That is exactly a star topology. In star we can connect a number of machines and PCs separately to a connecting devices. That kind of a situations is a star topology. Okay, now star topology very important topologies and very famous topology and popular topology compared to all other topologies. Especially star topology used are most of the times in a company and colleges. Okay, now in a star topology, suppose a first machine are sending the messages to a number third machines. Okay, now first machines just sending the messages, that particular message are goes in a switch, then switch just find out who is the exactly a destination, then the switch just forward or just forward this message to a destination proper and successfully. This kind of a situation, this kind of process or occur in all the network, in the whole network properly and successfully. Okay, that is exactly a star topology. Now in a star topology, each and every machines are called as a node. Okay, and each and every cables are called as a link. Okay, that is exactly a star topology. Means you do not go the shape of a star topology. Means what exactly, each and every topologies are not identified through a shape. Each and every topologies are just identified through a technical reason, through a logical reasons. Okay, means each and every topologies just identify to a logical reasons, to a technical reasons. Means each and every topology have a different logical reasons and different technical reasons through we can identify these topologies. Okay, don't go directly a shape is not exactly a identification of a particular topologies. Now here is just advantages, some advantages of a star topology. First one is easy to install and reconfigure. Means this particular topology we can easy to install. Okay, this topology is a reliable communication, easy to install and reconfigure. Reconfigure means what exactly, we can connect or disconnect this particular topology are very easily compared to all other topologies. And second one is a centralized management. Centralized management means what exactly, here is we just used to your center as a switch or hub. So that's why this particular topology is a centralized management. Okay, next one is a robotness. Robotness means what exactly, robotness is a main functions or main advantage. So in a star topology, just assume or just suppose one particular node or one particular machine are just collapse or destroyed, then no effect going on this topology. This topology are giving us a proper functioning and proper working successfully. Even one particular machines or two machines or three machines are collapsed or destroyed, then this particular topology is going successfully, properly and successfully. Okay, now next advantage is a fast. This particular topology is very fast. Okay, compared to all other topologies. Okay, this particular topology is a very speedily activate. Okay, now there is some disadvantages. First one is a central switch is breakdown, then whole the network is collapse. Suppose just assume a central switch or central hub is a collapse or destroy, then whole topology is a collapse or destroy. Okay, that is the big advantage of a star topology. And next one is a more expensive. More expensive means what exactly, in a star topology we can connect a number of nodes easily and successfully. So number of nodes, then number of machines we can use. Then if the number of nodes are used, then obviously we need a number of cables. Okay, because in a star topology each and every machine are connected separately to a switch. Now we need a switch also, we need a connecting device also. So that's why all things are required properly in a star topology. So that's why this particular topology is a more expensive or more costly compared to all other topologies.